So this is the inside of a dryer. You can see how they catch on fire after a while. All that fluff and lint, it's everywhere. All over the electronics. Shit. Christ, it is everywhere. Alright, so what is broken? Right, I've got my belt's not looking too good. That bit's broken. That's where I'm getting the issue. Right, this might not be one of my better ideas, but I've gotta see it in action to see where it's broke. Don't try this at home. Right, is that belt stuff stuck all over that? What? Yes. Oh, fixed it temporarily. The next question, where can I get a new belt for a dryer? Because it's definitely not Euro Car Parts, Motor Parts Direct or Auto Dock. Please work.